Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you some basic commands in Kali Linux. Let's open the terminal by going to the top left corner on the screen and click on the black box. The text in the terminal is too small to read, so we need to increase the text size. So keep pressing the Ctrl plus Shift plus equals to button on keyboard simultaneously until the text size is comfortable for you to read. So our first command is pwd. Hit enter and this command will display the current directory you are in. As you can see that our current directory is home/Kali. Our next command is ls. Hit enter and this command will display the list of files and folders in the current directory. As you can see, there are several folders in the current directory like desktop, documents, downloads, etc. Our next command is cd, that stands for change directory. Type cd and type the name of the directory that you want to enter in. As I want to go to documents directory, I will type cd space documents and hit enter. As you can see that I am in documents directory now. Our next command is mkdir. This command will create a directory in the current folder. Type mkdir space name of the folder you want to create and hit enter. Then type ls and hit enter to list the directories. As you can see that we have successfully created a folder named Chintu. Our next command is our mdir, that stands for remove directly. Type our mdir space the name of the folder you want to remove. In my case, I will remove the folder named Chintu and hit enter. Type ls and hit enter to check whether the file is deleted or not. As you can see that the folder named Chintu is gone. Our next command is mv, that stands for move. To use this command, we have to make a folder again for demonstration purpose. Let's use the mkdir command again to create a folder named Chintu. Now let's use the mv command to move the folder named Chintu to another location. Type mv space, the name of the folder you want to move space, then mention the path. I am going to move this folder to desktop, so let's type the path. In my case, it is home/Kali/desktop. And hit enter. The folder has been moved to the desktop directory. If you type cd and press enter, it will take you back to the home directory. Type ls and hit enter. We have the desktop directory here. Type cd space desktop and hit enter to move to the desktop directory. Type ls and hit enter. As you can see that the folder named Chintu is here. Our next command is cp, that stands for copy. It is similar to the command mv. It will just copy the folder or file to the given location. Oh, sorry, I forgot to type dash or command, as it is a folder, not a file. Type cd and move to the home directory, and then enter downloads directory. And type ls to see whether the folder have been copied or not. As you can see that the folder named Chintu is there. Our next command name is man, that can display a user guide for the command. We are going to check the user guide of ls command, so type man space ls and hit enter. You can scroll up and down with the help of mouse scroll or arrow keys. After you are done reading the user guide, type Q to exit from there. Our next command is ifconfig. Type ifconfig and hit enter. This command is used to display the details of the network interfaces connected to the system. Here ETH0 is the Ethernet cable connected to my system. Our next command is iwconfig. Type iwconfig and hit enter. This command is used to display all the wireless interfaces connected to the system. Our next command is wget-command. Type wget space the link of the file you want to download and hit enter. It will download the file in the current directory. Our next command is sudo space apt space install space the name of the package you want to install. In my case, I am going to install a text editor named LeafPad and hit enter. It may ask you a password, then enter your default password of your current username, that is Kali. As you can see that the package named LeafPad is installed. Next command is sudo space apt space remove space the name of the package, that is LeafPad. This command will remove the package from the system. Type Y and hit enter. Our next command is a pt space upgrade. This command upgrades all the packages in the system. Next command is sudo apt update. This command will check for updates of all the packages and will add the updates in the list to upgrade. Next command is who am I? This command prints the username of the current user. As you can see that Kali is the current user here. Next command is sudosu. This command will ask for a password of the current user and then it will change the current user to root. As you can see, we are the root user now. So these were some basic commands that you need to know. Thank you for watching.